Is the dining plan at Disney worth the money? I will let you know exactly what I spent and the value that we got every day on this vacation. Disney dining plan is about $59 per adult, and Ryan is considered an adult because he's over 10. So in total, we spent $591.20. So let's see if we can beat that on this vacation. So here is day number one, everything that we ate and the value that it cost. So after a full day of being in the sun and shopping, we spent $175.71 on today's food. So with that being said, I'm gonna try to remember all these numbers because I don't have a pen, but we initially paid $591.40 for our dining plan. We spent $175.72 on today's food, which means we have $415.68 left to spend on our holiday, and we'll see if we've saved money on the quick service dining plan or if maybe it was better to just purchase our food out of pocket. So stay tuned, day two is coming tomorrow.